Alright, hello guys. Remember with my Stinger review? Well, now we have something even better. We have Thundercracker. So now I will be reviewing Studio Series action figure Thundercracker, unboxing it too. So to take a look at this thing, pretty nice figure. I'm gonna put this open here. And open this up. Here he is. And I got scissors here to cut him open. These little missile things. So I'm really excited to get this figure. This is a figure I've been wanting for a while. So now you stick these missile things on the back right here. And then here you go, you have your Thundercracker. So this figure, I think, is a really nice figure. Definitely better than Stinger. Not to say that I don't like Stinger, but this is definitely better than Stinger. Let's take a look at his pincer here. That's the tip of the plane. They like take out these axe things. Pretty cool. And then I realize there's still plastic around him. And then you can go over to the other side over here. The machine gun, you can put this back in too. Yeah, I think this is a really nice figure. It's probably better than the Nitro Zeus one, or KSI Boss, which is the same thing, but it's the same exact figure. It's just an KSI Boss thing. So I have no idea how to transform this guy because I just got him out. But maybe I'll try to figure him out. Pretty cool. His head like comes off. Oh, or does it? Oh, never mind, it doesn't. I thought it would be like the Nitro Zeus one. Well, this guy is pretty cool here. Look at this design on it. This axe thing. Pew. These missiles. I love this shotgun design on it. It's like the it kind of looks like the Megatron one for the last night. And so, alright guys, well, this is Thundercracker here. Really nice figure, and this was my review on Studio Series action figure Thundercracker. Maybe, from 1 to 10, I give it 9. This is a really nice figure. Alright, I really recommend it, so, bye guys. Comment down below what you think about this figure, Thundercracker. Pew!